Welcome again. I'd like to now move on to another specific range for Arno USA here. I think probably one of the more famous product ranges that we have as a company. Again, all the products, these inserts are actually manufactured out of Germany, where we have very high precision of grinding setups, but everything is 100% inspected as well. I think this range of products is probably the best known throughout the US, and I think we probably have the largest range available from anybody within the industry. This is our high shear, high positive range of inserts. You can see we have the C-style inserts from the smaller 06s right up to the sort of standard 12s and 15s, and even up to a 19 size or 6 size insert in ANSI. A range of the round inserts as well. And you can see the difference we have them uncoated or coated style inserts. Some of these inserts are very specific for certain applications as well. They tend to come in a variety of chip breakers as well. I mean, probably the more common inserts we like to see, a lot of people like to use this style of insert. It's called the ALU geometry. But this really is for non-ferrous or aluminum type products. They get used a lot on aluminums, obviously, coppers, bronze type components, and even into plastics. We see a lot of these inserts being used on plastics. It's a very open geometry in this particular case here, or chip breaker, allows a good flow of the chip itself. Now if we look at the specific edge of the insert, we can see really the grinding quality of this product. It also has an extremely sharp edge to it. Now this is what we call an F-hone. So this makes the insert very sharp, very precise, and makes a very clean cut. So perfect for the non-ferrous type materials that we talked about, the aluminums, the coppers, the brasses, and so on, and the plastic operations. What we also do with this style of insert, we actually add a small hone to the edge as well, what we call an E-hone. What the E-hone does, it allows them, for these style of inserts, which have this very clean, very sharp cutting action, a very positive cutting action, makes them very suitable then for the high temperature alloys. We can use this, then we take this insert with a hone, we can then use it for things like titanium. And when we know titanium materials obviously are very wear resistant, they're heat resistant materials, but the hone on the edge, the E-hone on the edge, just gets a better protection of the edge and allows the insert to survive and produce a better component. As I said, you can see there's a whole variety of inserts here. From the ALU, we can then look at some of the other insert styles here where we have a more defined chip break, which helps break up the chip. I think we can keep going further. Sometimes we need a more aggressive chip breaker if we're doing lighter depths of cuts or feed rates or materials that are causing problems. We can use a more aggressive style of chip breaker. But really these inserts, as I said, we have a full range in terms of there's the C-style inserts, D-styles, round inserts, some squares style inserts, the T-shaped inserts, V's which are very popular, especially on this end of the table we have a lot for wheel manufacturers, and obviously these larger inserts here generally get used for large aluminum components or wheel manufacturers, and we move on to a W-style insert range as well. So I think this is something that I think that Arno is synonymous with in terms of its product offering, and is a great product that gets used by many different customers, and we always hear good things about this product now, its application, its repeatability, and the consistency of the quality of the product. I think is what we come to expect and learn from Arno USA. Thank you.